Hi, my name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Well, welcome to another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is an open invite collaboration that is hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. The hosts of Quick and Easy Meals are the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Buckeye Girl Wreaths and Things, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. I will be posting the links of all of our channels down in the description box below, along with the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals 23. So if you're interested in posting one of your recipes, please feel free to participate along with us. Today we are having garlic butter turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. However, as you can see here, we have used fettuccine noodles instead of the zucchini noodles. So we've also opted to buy meatballs that were already prepared because it's quick and easy. So that's what we want this to do. So we seasoned up our meatballs, and so that made it quick. We boiled in our pasta and seasoned that up, and we mixed those together. And what else we're having with this nice meal is asparagus. We sauteed our asparagus and seasoned that up as well. So as you can see, this is definitely a quick and easy meal. And this is what we opt for on Sundays, because all of us are busy and we want to eat well, but we don't want to spend a lot of time doing a lot of preparation. So I will post the link, post the ingredients in a link below so that you can check out this recipe. You'll find that it's quite tasty and it's quick to fix. Okay, so you guys have a wonderful week, and until next time, bye-bye.